Hello children, welcome back to geography class. So in chapter 2 we have completed everything. So we have only one unit that has to be completed, that is to find out the local time. Okay, so longitude and time. Since the earth is spherical in shape, one half of it is experiencing day, the other half remains in darkness and experiences the night. So thus it gives us the variation in time of sunrise and sunset at different places on the earth. So it takes 24 hours for the sun to travel 360 degree or to complete one rotation. Okay, so to travel 15 degree longitude, the sun takes 1 hour. Okay, so the sun takes 1 hour to travel 15 degree longitude lines, and for 1 degree it takes 4 minutes. Okay, so for 1 hour it travels 15 degree longitude lines, and for 1 longitude lines it takes 4 minutes. For example, if Greenwich time is 12 noon, the time at 90 degree east will be 90 degree into 4, okay, is equal to 360 minutes, which is equal to 6 hours. Okay, so the time difference between 0 degree and 90 degree east longitude is 6 hours. Okay, this is the basic relationship between the longitude and the time. Okay, so the time difference between two places is added when the place is towards the east. Okay, so when the place is towards the east, we have to add the timings. Okay, and when the place is towards the west, you have to subtract. Okay, you have to keep this in your mind in order to find out the local time. Okay, so when the place is towards the east, you have to add. When the place is towards the west, you have to subtract. Okay, so you can see here, we say that when the east, when we move towards the east, the timing is ahead. When the place is moving towards the west, the time is behind. Okay, so east is going to lose a day, west is going to gain a day. Okay, so the same thing. Okay, if the place is in the same hemisphere, okay, in the same hemisphere, that is between east to east, so you have to subtract. When there is a different hemisphere, you have to add it. Okay, so for example, if the Greenwich or any other place, okay, so you can take it as a Tokyo, it is in the east. Okay, and Washington is towards the west, so at that time you have to add it to find the difference. Okay, to find the longitudinal difference. If the same hemisphere means, you have to subtract. Okay, let's see the solved sums. Okay, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, what is the local time at Allahabad? Okay, so here the longitude is 82.5 degree east. Difference in longitude. Okay, so we have to first find out the longitudinal difference. Okay, so you have to minus it when the same hemisphere. Okay, when it is in the same hemisphere, we have to minus it. So 82.5 degree east minus 0 degree. Okay, Greenwich, so it is 82.5 degree. So for 1 degree of longitudinal difference, we have 4 minutes. So how many minutes of difference will come for this 82.5 degree? Okay, so what you have to do, find out the difference, you have to multiply. Okay, so 82.5 multiplied by 4. Okay, so you have here 5 as 30 minutes. Okay, so you will be getting 82.5 into 4 will be 330 minutes. So 330 minutes, if you convert into hours, you will be getting 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so you have got now the difference time difference is 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, now Allahabad is towards the east of Greenwich. Okay, so towards the east means what you have to do? You have to add it. Okay, if the place is towards the east, you have to add. So the time at 82.5, that is 82.5 degree east, is 12 noon plus 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so Greenwich time is 12 noon. Okay, plus the time difference is 5 hours 30 minutes, so totally it will be 17 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so you can also say it as 5 o'clock 30 minutes. Okay, 5:30 p.m. in Allahabad in India. Okay, so at Greenwich it is 17 hours, sorry, at Greenwich it is 12 noon, and in Allahabad it is 5:30 p.m. Okay, let's take another example. When it is 13 hours at 30 degree east, okay, what is the time at 120 degree east? Okay, so when it is 13 hours at 30 degree east, what is the time at 120 degree east? So first you have to find out the longitudinal difference. So 120 degree minus 30 degree, so both are in the same hemisphere, so you have to subtract it. Okay, so 120 minus 30, it becomes 90 degree, so you have to multiply by 4. When you multiply by 4, you will get 360 minutes. Okay, so when you convert this 360 minutes into hours, you will get 6 hours. Okay, so the time at 120 degree east is okay 13 hours plus 6 hours. Okay, so 13 hours plus 6 hours. So why you have to add it? Because the place 120 is towards the east. Okay, so towards the east we have to add it, so it becomes 19 hours or 7 p.m. Okay, next example. When it is 6 a.m. at 90 degree west, okay, what is the time at 138 degree east? Okay, what is the time at 138 degree east? So first let's find out the difference of longitude, that is 90 degree plus 138 degree. So why we have added here? Here we have subtracted because here the hemisphere are different. Okay, so western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere, so we have to add it. Okay, when both are in the same hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, you have to minus it. Okay, so we add it. 90 plus 138 becomes 228. Okay, so we'll find out the time difference, that is 228 into 4, okay, will become 912 minutes. So when we convert into hours, we'll be getting 15 hours 12 minutes. Okay, so Tokyo is to the east of New Orleans. Okay, so the time at Tokyo is 6 hours plus, okay, 6 a.m. So we make it as a 6 hours plus 15 hours 12 minutes. So it becomes 21 hours 12 minutes. So when we convert to the time, we can say 9 o'clock 12 minutes. Okay, 9:12 p.m. Okay, 9:12 p.m. is the time of Tokyo. Now let's take a exercise from your textbook in page number 20. Okay, and try to solve the sum. Now let's take another question to understand better. Okay, so we'll take the question. What is the time at a certain place M with 40 degree west when it is 8 a.m. on Saturday at a place N with 40 degree east? Okay, so now let's take place M. okay, with 40° west, and place N with 40° east. So the timing is 8 a.m. We'll find out the longitudinal difference. So since both the places are with different directions, with different hemispheres, we have to add it. Okay, so 40 plus 40, 80°, and into 4 we'll get the minutes, 320 minutes. Okay, so when we convert into hours, we'll be getting 5 hours 20 minutes. Okay, so the place M is towards the west, so we have to subtract. So the time at place M will be 8 hours minus 5 hours 20 minutes. So you will get 3 hours 20 minutes, or you can also say 3:20 a.m. Okay, so this will be the timings of place N with 40° east. So children, go through the video. If you have any clarifications, you can ask me. Thank you.